Rarely can you find a 4 bedrooms at 1,605 square feet in the heart of Robertson Quay. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today I'm at Aspen Heights where I have an amazing 4-bedroom unit available for sale. Now this is newly renovated and it has a spectacular view. Aspen Heights sits on top of a hill with 2 grand entrances, bringing you into the compound with its rich and lush flora. The entire space is tranquil from the moment that you step through the gates. This is a massive compound with almost 32,000 square meters of grounds. For 606 units, it is considered very low density as compared to many condos in the vicinity. A 999 years condominium, this condo is completed in 1998 and is popular for families because of its large unit sizes. Now here we are at the central tower where you have easy access to both the pool as well as the drop-off point. Come, let me show you the unit first. This home is nested just round this corner here with your own private entranceway. As you step in, discover your tranquil haven behind these heavy doors. An expensive and modern kitchen is the first to embrace you with whiffs of a delicious home-cooked meal once you enter. Renovated in the last 5 years, this urban space is well equipped with appliances from Bosch and Fujio for all your culinary needs. One of the things that we really appreciate about older private apartments is the comprehensive space in the backyard for laundry, a helper's room, and even a large utility bathroom. Now let's fully immerse in this beautiful home. This spectacular living and dining is a feast for the senses with its tall ceilings and the openness of the space. Truly embrace your love for art in this home with plenty of room for you to adorn with your favorite pieces. The living room is definitely one for entertaining the closest of kins as you enjoy a cup of tea and perhaps gaze out the unblocked views. Each common bedroom here has dark hardwood flooring, blending the old and new with its contemporary furniture. And the bedroom sizes are really great as well. Each of them are able to fit a queen-size bed. The master bedroom itself is also generously timeless. With natural bold finishes, it combines functionality with beauty. As for the master bathroom, so rarely will we find such a great space where you can fit in a his and her sink as well as an idyllic shower area. What's more, there's plenty of storage areas for your little things. Now that you have seen the house, let's take a look at the environment. Aspen Heights is a full facilities condominium. Everything that you need or desire can be found within your private estate. A massive resort pool, a classy gym, your very own in-house grocery store, tennis courts, and so much more. Like to make this classy home your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!